Good morning, students. Today we will see about the family Nymphaceae. It belongs to 6 genera. There are 62 species. It is also known as the water lily family. It is present throughout the world, forming floating masses in freshwater habitats. Some of these uh, water lily species have been found in the northern hemisphere also. Different classifications are there for this family. Like Benthaminochus, he has placed them into class Diaclodons, subclass Polypetalae, series Thalamiflori, order Ranels, and families Nymphaeaceae. Conquest have placed them in Magnolophyta, Magnolipsida, Magnolidae, and Nymphaeals, order that is Nymphaeals. Thorne has also placed them in Magnolipsida, Chloranthidae, Nymphaeaceae, and Nymphaeals. Again, some of the distinguishing features, they are aquatic herbs, they are free floating type, they have long petiole, petiolate flowers are large on the long pedicel, stamens are numerous, fruits are spongy with several immersed seeds. You can see in Nymphia, the fruiting flowers, they are large, they are showy also. Like major genera of this family are Nymphia. It has about 40 species, Nupar, that is 15 species, and Victoria, that is of contains of 3 species. They are perennial aquatic herbs with stout creeping rhizome, stems with scattered vascular bundle. Numerous air channels are present, and lattice spurs also is present. Hairs are simple, usually producing mucilage. Leaves are floating, like Nymphia, Victoria, etc., or immersed also. Often very large, like in Victoria, their leaves are about more than 2 meters in diameters. Like in Victoria Amazonica, you usually can see they are alternate, rarely opposite or hold, simple, cordate, or orbicular. They are pelted with long petiole emerging from rhizome. Stipules are absent or sometimes present. Inflorescence of solitary exile flower are present. Flowers are like floating type, or they are raised above the water, bisexual, actinomorphic, with spirally arranged stamens. Calyxes of 4 to 12 sepals, free of connate, often petiolate. Corolla represented by staminode, absent of many free or connate at base, uh, often passing into stamens. Androecium is with they are present of many stamens are there. They are spirally arranged. Filament are sometimes flattened. Pollen grains are usually monosulcate. The aperture is monosulcate, or you another is inaperturate. Gynoecium is with 3 to many free holes. Gynoecium is many to free holes. Connate carpels are present. Several roctils and parietal placentation can be seen. Single or many ovals are there. Stigmas often elongated. Disc type, often surrounded at a central bump. Ovary superior in Nufar, like it is semi-inferior in Nymphia and inferior in Urales. Fruits are like spongy berry, rarely an aggregate or nut or pod. Seed usually operculate, aerate with a chilled. The seeds of Victoria, like and Nymphaea and Urales also आपण मखाना म्हणतो त्याला. Makhana, they are consumed as a food. आता याची जर phylogenetic पाहिजे असेल आपल्याला तर the family has been subject considered in discussion. They are strongly linked with monocots, although traditionally they are classified as dicots. The family has been located under Superorder Nymphaeaceae or Magnoli, but the Takhtajan have given a different subclasses Nymphaeidae. Like the lotus also was included in this family in Nilambo. That was also formerly included in genus Nilambo, which has now been separated under the family Nilamboniaceae. Like economic importance of this family, the species of Nymphaea, water lily, Nuphar, uh, and Victoria are like ornamentally grown in ponds. The Victoria amazonica leaves, that is also known as the royal water lily. It can support the weight of a little child. This is the Victoria nymphaea needles that already discussed. They're like eaten as makhana in different areas. Here you can see Nymphaea having 40 species, Novara having 15, Victoria having 3 species. This is a description of the perennial aquatic herbs. Stout creeping rhizomes are there. As we have discussed that in Victoria America, the leaves are 2 meter in diameter. This is the Nopal, this is a photograph of Nopal species, also known as yellow water lily. This is Victoria species. You can see the leaves, they are large. They are more than 1 to 2 meter in diameter. You can also see the enlarged flower. Some you can see the bird and the flower also. This is the description. Here you can see an example of Nymphaea, a longitudinal showing section of Nymphaea alba, transverse section of seeds. You can see the gynoecium, the stigmata, the type of seeds. Longitudinal sections are given, transverse section of the seed are also given. Like earlier, we have discussed economic importance of Nymphaea seed, water lily, Nuphar, yellow water lily, Spatrodon, Victoria, Amazon lily are all grown in ponds and lakes. The leaves of Victoria amazonica are so large that they can support a child's weight also. The seeds of Victoria, Nymphaea neurals, Makhana are often consumed. And Nuphar is also Nuphar, species of Nuphar that is known as Nuphar lutea. It is used in homeopathic medicine. Okay. In here we have briefly discussed the family Nymphaceae. In next lecture we'll discuss another family. We'll end here.